morning, Mr. La Peña. Thank you for meeting with me today. I wanted to discuss your recent project and share some feedback.
Good morning, Mr. Istapia. I appreciate the opportunity. I'm eager to hear your thoughts.
First, I want to acknowledge the hard work you put into the project. Your creativity really shone through, especially in the presentation section. However, I noticed some areas where there's room for improvement, particularly in the report's accuracy.
Thank you for the positive feedback. I understand there were some inaccuracies. Could you specify which part need more attention?
Certainly, the financial projections were slightly off, which led to some confusion during the team meeting. It's important that we present data that is not only accurate but also easy to understand. How do you feel about revising those sections?
I see your point. I'd like to revisit those figures, ensure everything aligned correctly. I want to make sure the team has the best information possible.
That sounds like a great plan. I'm here to support you. So let's set a deadline for those revisions. Would next Friday work for you?
Yes, that works for me. I'll also reach out to Mr. Sanchez for assistance in the financial aspect to ensure accuracy.
Excellent initiative. Appreciate your willingness to collaborate. Remember, feedback is part of your growth, and I'm confident you'll excel in the next project. Do you have any questions or concerns?
Not at the moment. I'm grateful for your feedback and look forward to implementing it. Thank you for your support.
Of course. Thank you for your openness. Let's catch up again next week to review your progress. Have a great day.
You too.